First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the t-shirt like this. Now press Ctrl J twice to duplicate the selection into two layers. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now press Ctrl L for levels. Adjust these input and output levels like this. Press OK. Then select and expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose overlay. Open layer styles and select blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Now hold shift button and select these two layers. Press Ctrl G for group. Let's see the final result.